Hello guys, I am going to share the most probable questions from C language. Basically, from C language, interviewer asked questions from mainly three portions. First, they will ask from pointers, like what is pointers, what are the types of pointers, and pointers like what is dangling pointers, white pointers, null pointers, wild pointers. These four pointers you have to study. Then he may ask what is storage class. There are extern, auto, this kinds of, there are four storage class, so you learn these two things. And then he used to ask like calloc, malloc, realloc, free, these things. Mainly I have seen interviewer mainly asked, if he asked from C language, then he mainly asked from these topics only. And also they can ask like basics of what is like function, what is return type, what is actual parameter, formal parameter, these like basic kind of things he may ask from C language. Yeah, he can also ask file handling. It is also a very good topic which interviewer usually asks. These kind of things like what are data types, how many are data types, these kinds of things he may ask. I don't think that he will ask much more than this, whatever I had told right now. And if we come to the C++, that is any oops concept, then from C++ he will ask what is difference between C and C++, because everyone who did C++, all of you I think know C language as well. So he may ask what is different between C++. Yeah, one thing I have forgotten, in C language they also ask what is struct, like what is structure, what is enum. I have forgotten that. So it is also very important things. And lastly, important things in C language is how C program executes. You have to tell the all the things, like from beginning to the end, how they execute. So I am done with C language. Now in C++, they may ask what is difference between C and C++, and something like what is difference between structure of C language and structure of C++ language. What is difference between reference and pointers? What is oops? What are the four pillars of oops? Like what kind of programming languages, a language programming system can C++ follow? Like C++ follow both object oriented programming system and a structural programming language. So he may ask that. Yeah, here also they may ask from file handling, basics of STL. He may ask, I don't think he will ask STL, but maybe he will ask basics of STL, like vector and array. They may ask difference between vector and array. I don't think that he will go beyond that. Yeah, he will ask like a definition. He can ask like definition, what is STL, what is a template class. He will ask, I think it is very like favorite topics of interviewer to ask what is STL, sorry, what is template class. So all these kinds of questions they may ask. I don't think that whatever I told right now he may ask beyond that, because I have also faced so many interviews and I expected more to be asked, but they don't ask anything more than that. So I'm just repeating that do prepare well all these things whatever I told right now. If you don't know anything, any of the topic, then you just prepare, and I think you will excel in the interview. And for the data structure, I have always told, if you don't know a lot about data structures, you just search previous year interview questions and study all the 50 about 50 questions, 55 questions from data structures. I think your preparation will be done. And finally, guys, if you like my video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, share with your friends, and do comment what kind of video or what kind of topics do you like to watch. So please comment, also press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload any video, you will receive a notification, so that you won't miss any updates. So thanks guys, have a good day. That's